Hello, everyone. My name is Jody Larson, and I look forward to working with you all in our last leg of this program. It's been something that has been on my mind all summer, and I'm just ready to hit the ground running and take this class with everybody and learn from you all and finish our projects and our capstones. I just wanted to share a little PowerPoint about me. This is actually something that I created for my students and what I kind of do, and I modify it a little bit every year to kind of give them a little introduction for myself. So here goes nothing. I graduated in 2016 from Minnesota State University Moorhead, go Dragons, with my undergrad degree. And my undergrad degree was in elementary inclusive education and um, academic behavior strategies. So being able to work with students with special needs. And that's kind of where my passion lies. Fast forward to now, this is my 6th year of teaching. I'm in a charter school located in Northeast Minneapolis. Um, and I am a special education teacher. So I have been working with special education students and related services for the last 5 years now, and I absolutely love it. Along with my MAT degree, I have obtained 2 licensures. The first one was in autism spectrum disorders, and the second in learning disabilities. I just obtained the learning disabilities license this summer, so that was great. Let's see here. Here are some photos of my family. I've got my dad, my mom, my stepdad, their puppy, my grandma. Got some more family photos, my brothers, pictures of all of them, my niece and nephew in this picture on the left, 3 brothers. Some things I enjoy doing. I like to dance and sing, spend time at the lake. This picture on the left is Green Lake in Spicer, Minnesota. That's where I grew up. I like to read, stay active, garden, camping, and spending time with family and friends. And some of my favorites include Harry Potter. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, so all of the books I have read and the movies as well. And I love going camping and hiking at different state parks throughout the state and other states as well. My favorite flower is the sunflower, and my favorite place is Green Lake. And I already shared where that is. Here's some photos from the 4th of July on Green Lake. And there we are sailing. Green Lake. All right, thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you all this semester. Cheers.